So it's a beautiful sunny day in Devon. We're here to do some stump grinding, and the reason this day is special is because we've got Mason's Kings coming out with an FSI stump grinder for us to demo, to see how different it is to the current one we've got. It's a similar size, similar power, however it's self-driven and it's also a turntable stump grinder, which should make the stump grinding itself a lot easier. We've got about 25 stumps to do today. We took out a conifer hedge and a few other plants, so hopefully they turn up. We'll have a look at this stump grinder and then we'll have to go away, do some sums. Here's our current stump grinder on the first few stumps, just so you can compare.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So this is the FSI B22 that we've got a demo on today. Self-drive machine. It is really nicely balanced, and it does seem to be really well built. So that's the first impressions. We'll start it up and have a go at a few stumps and see what we think after that. So we've had a good go with this machine. Build quality, really good. Usability, maneuverability, really, really good. For us at this point, it's not a big enough step up between this one and the one that we've currently got. So we're going to look into something that's slightly bigger, a bit more power, and probably with tracks, I think, and see what the options are there. Like and subscribe.
And on we'll go.